What do you do? Why did you join? Couldn't you find another job? Ever since I joined Kachara in 2009, these are just some of the many questions I've been asked. Why did someone like you choose a job like that? So obviously most people think it's weird to engage in Dharma as a career, but this is the way I figure it. If you have to work in this life, why not work in something that makes a difference for others? Some people choose to focus on global warming. Some people choose to focus on helping children with special needs, while others choose to focus on human rights. I just happen to choose Dharma. Now before we go on, the first thing I gotta get out of the way is this. You don't enter a Dharma organization or take Dharma as a career to make money. That's not why you do it, and if that's why you're doing it, you're gonna get very disappointed. You should do Dharma work because you want to help others, and you want to train in a mindset and attitude to always be of benefit to others. You're in Dharma work for a kind of higher reward, the reward of merits. So Dharma work is a privilege and an honor. You should never have it in your mind that you want to get something from the center. Dharma work is an offering of service and of body, speech and mind to the center, so it should never be done as a favor to the center. Would we think in the same way if we were making offerings to the Buddha that we're doing the Buddha a favor? Now let me ask you this. Are you grateful to your teacher for helping you? Do you think others should benefit as well? Then spend as much time helping your center as possible. Make your center grow. Make your teacher well known. Take on some of the activities and responsibilities so your teacher doesn't have to. Because it's not about your teacher having some kind of ego or needing to be glorified, but it's about you extending the benefit you experience with your teacher so that others may experience it too. Working for the Dharma is no different to working for a secular organization. You're going to find the same kind of people there, but the only difference is there is a reason to be nice. There's a reason to train yourself in patience, in acceptance, in critical thinking, in problem solving, and in generosity. And the work itself is the training. The training means opening yourself up to people who come to you as a last resort because they just don't know where else they can go. It means opening yourself up to the people around you who are just as hurt, in pain, and suffering as you are, but they want to do something about it. Are you going to get disappointed from time to time when you open up? Sure, because people are people, and just because you're in a Dharma organization doesn't mean everything's going to be hunky-dory. But the difference is, you joined with a group of people who have the same goal as you, and that makes it so much better because you know all of you are on the same boat, rowing towards the same shoreline. So then, since working for the Dharma is no different to working for a secular organization, then why not do it? I'm not going to get into the whole cliche about how working for your passion makes it not a job. What I am going to say is, if you're fortunate enough to make Dharma your career, here is why you are so lucky. In this day and age, when circumstances compel you to make money and focus only on that, there are very few opportunities in most people's everyday lives to be in a spiritual environment that helps you to develop your mind and spirit. So when you get the opportunity for a Dharma career, treasure it. You get to do things that you help yourself, that you help other people in this life and beyond. And that is a very, very rare opportunity indeed. And if you can't be the one in the center to help physically, then support in any other way you can. Attend the pujas and teachings, not only because it benefits the center, but because it benefits you too. Bring your friends and your loved ones with you. Promote the works of your Lama and your organization and help him to help others too. Supporting your local Dharma organization and center is very important because they provide a service that no one else can. They provide a service to alleviate suffering of the mind, to deal with issues of discontent, anger, frustration, unhappiness. On this topic of Dharma as a career, Rinpoche has a really extensive blog post called Dharma Work Attitude and TDL. You should definitely check it out if you want to know more. My name is Pastor Jinai, and this was my short sharing on Dharma as a career. Thank you.